Hi everyone, today we will be teaching you how to create points or stamp system. First of all, you can come over to loyalty, then click points. So here you can choose whether your business is using point system or stamp system. So for example, now I'm choosing point system. So here I can choose the points are given per scan or per dollar. So I choose per dollar. So here I can also determine how many points is given per spending to my members. Then I can also limit the number of points received by a member daily. So 0 is unlimited. Then I can also limit the number of points balance for each members. So 0 is unlimited. Then I can click save. If let's say you want to give more points to your members as a benefit to their birthday, then you can set the point multiples here. So for example, I've set 1.5 multiples. Duration for the members is entire birthday month, or you can also set days before or days after their birthday. So for this setting, my members can get 1.5 times more points for their entire birthday month. Then I click save. If let's say you want to have next tier, your higher tier examples, your gold tier members to have more points compared to silver members. So you can set under points rule, then set active. You can name the name for it. Then you can choose the member tier is gold, which I already set, and I add rule. After this, I can set 2 times more points examples. So which means that my gold tier member, for every spending, they can get 2 points instead of 1 point, which is for silver members. Then after that, click save. Let us know if you have any other questions at help@eber.co. Thanks and bye for now.